My name is Ashley, and I'm going to show you how to add OpenCRM click-through links into email templates built using our Stripo integration. If you're creating and sending beautiful email templates, you want to know how your subscribers are interacting with them, and that's where click-through links come in. Click-through links are a way to track when someone clicks a link in one of your emails. But if you're creating your emails in Stripo and then sending using OpenCRM, creating these links and adding them into your email template needs an extra step. So if I've got this email template, you can see that there are quite a few places where I'd like to add a link for my subscribers. Let's start by opening a blank email in OpenCRM. Don't worry, this isn't something you'll be saving or even sending. We're just using it to get to the click-through wizard by clicking on this little button here. Once we click that button, we can create a click-through link. First step is to add the redirect URL. That's where you want to send your subscriber when they click the link in your email. It could be your blog, YouTube channel, or something like that. I'm going to add the OpenCRM homepage because it's something I can remember off the top of my head. Now I have some other options here. You can read about them in more detail in the FAQ linked in the video description, but in short, Activity creates an activity every time someone clicks the link. Notify sends a notification to the assigned user of that activity. And you can also set the activity's status and assign to. I will also set a unique subject so I can differentiate between the different click-throughs I'll be setting up. And then I'll link it to the campaign where I'm going to be managing this. Then I click Generate. And you can see it creates the link and adds it to this box. Now, instead of adding the link to my email now, I'm just going to highlight and copy this link. Then I'm going to paste it into Notepad for safekeeping. And I'll just add a little label there. Now I'm going to repeat the process for all the click-through links I want to add to this email template. Okay, now I've got them all on my notepad, and so I can head back to Stripo and add them into my template. So here's the button I'm going to add the first click-through link to. I click the button, and then look on the left to where it says Link. Now I just grab the link from Notepad, paste it in there, and voila! My click-through link is in my Stripo email template. Now I just have to add the rest of them. So that's all done, so I just click to export to OpenCRM. So, if we look at that email template in OpenCRM, when I go in and look at one of the links, I can see that it contains one of the click-through links I created. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel? There's lots of great how-to videos, and we share a new tip every week. See you then!